Create wealth for yourself and others by partnering and leveraging off the RMDTrader DNA. Connect to the ultimate investment gateway with access to every CFD, index, and trading product in the world. Access to the best tools, tech, algorithms, and strategies created by the brightest minds, all from a single platform. RMDTrader, a new way of trading. Expand your footprint by tapping into our international gateway. Unlock industry-leading technologies, superior account management tools, free marketing resources, and white-label back-end support. We can launch your business into the stratosphere. RMDTrader. Trade smart, trade successful.